So my name is Noah. I'm originally from Syria. I moved to Turkey for like a year and a half and then got an asylum here in Germany. I studied in Syria economics, finished there. But when I moved to Turkey, switched totally to political science. There I got like my job as a research assistant at Princeton University. My job was like dealing with data sets, building them, structure them. Yeah, and then I wanted to learn data science. One just like to move one step forward. Wagon showed up as like the best ranking bootcamp for data science. I was like Googling bootcamps here in Germany, like around, and yeah, I saw like Wagon. We are building a web application where it will predict the level of violence that might occur at this event. So it would give probabilities of what repression method could be used against the protesters in order to help them, to help the organizers to prevent violence. There is the possibility in Germany to get a Bildungsgutschein, which is a training voucher from the Agentur für Arbeit. It's like fully financed by them. It's like really nice experience, like social-wise. Like hanging out here in campus was amazing, together with your teammates every day. Like the way that the day is structured, the campus, like the support that you got from here, from teachers, from TAs. So also like learning-wise as well. It's amazing. I mean, I feel like I entered the campus as a person A, and then like I'm totally a different person. I feel like I am a data scientist, like a real data scientist.